I was actually preparing for JEE Mains, and then NDA came in between as a blessing, and then I went for it, and here I am. This is what I went through before joining.
Started like from where you started?
It came as a shock because it came as a surprise that NDA, it was not open for us, and out of sudden it was open. I was preparing for JMIN, and then I was told by one of my friend that NDA is open for females as well. Then I was like, let me just give it a try, because I was planning to give CDS after my graduation.
What was the best part in these last 3 years?
This best part is meeting these 17 female cadets. These are my NDA.
And how your experience with the male counterparts?
They are amazing. They are so supportive. They don't have anything against. They are very supportive, and there's nothing male cadets, female cadets. I'm just pronouncing it wrong here. They're all cadets, and they're great.
Okay, my last question. Anything you want to share or tell to your juniors, the upcoming, ladies who will come?
Don't be afraid of anything. Don't be afraid of anything. You can do whatever you eye for. Everything is possible. Just go for it. Believe in yourself and go for it. Everything is possible.
Thank you so much.